Hi, in this lecture I will explain you about how to look up multiple criteria in VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula can check only one VLOOKUP value in one column. That means the lookup value should be 1 and this value should be set in one particular column. However, in case if we want to do multiple value check, then we can use these techniques. In this example, we have data table consisting of employee number, area, employee name and sales amount. And for each employee number, the sales amount with respect to different area is available in the same table. Therefore, if you see for employee number 1 in south area, he has done this sales, and same employee in east area, he has done this. Therefore, in case if we want to retrieve the information with respect to employee number as well as area specific, we can apply these techniques. Number 1. The basic VLOOKUP formula will not allow us to do the multiple criteria check. Therefore, in order to do the multiple criteria check, we can add one helper column. This should be the leftmost column in that table. We can call it as helper, and in this we should combine these two criteria into one column with the help of AND. So now with the help of VLOOKUP formula, we can check the multiple criteria. Similarly, in lookup value also we should combine both employee number and area by adding AND symbol, and then we can look up starting from the helper column to the end, and 1, 2, 3, 4, column index 4, it's exact match. Yes, you can change like this. And for employee number 1 in south, it is 145, and if you change the area, it will go to the respective row. For employee number 1 east, yes, it will get the information from this row instead of row number 1. Method number 2. In this method, we will use VLOOKUP with if function to find out the multiple criteria in VLOOKUP formula, and this is an array formula. So let us see how to put this formula. VLOOKUP, lookup value, we have to combine both these two cells, that is employee number and area. Then for lookup table, we should start with if function, if flower bracket 1, 0. So this is standard, no need to change. All these are constants. Basically, if function will create one array within this formula, and then it will find out the matching value from the array. Now we have to combine employee number as well as area. For that, we can select both these two ranges and we can put AND symbol in between. It will combine these two, and we should bring the result from column D. This will create one array, and the column index will be always 2 because there are only 2 columns. Both this B and C will become one column, and D is the second column from where we should get the results. and it is exact match. Since this is an array formula, we have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. That's how you can check multiple criteria with VLOOKUP and if function. The third method is, instead of if function in this formula, we will use choose function. This also works similarly as if function. However, there is a slight change in syntax. VLOOKUP, we should combine both these two criteria, that is employee number and area. Then for table array, we should use choose function. Choose flower bracket 1, 2, close the flower bracket, comma. We should combine employee number and area, comma. Then the result column, that is D. Then column index, it is 2, comma, exact match. Again, this is an array formula, therefore we have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. You can copy and paste same formula to next. That's how you can use VLOOKUP function to check multiple criteria in Excel.